Hello, welcome back. It's been 5 days already since I installed these mini braids and shrinkage has completely taken over. I did these cornrows yesterday before bed in an attempt to stretch my braids, but I don't even know if it worked. You followed my last tutorial on how to mini braids. Chances are you get up in the morning looking like this. But don't worry, I'll show you everything I do to maintain my hair. You have probably seen this bottle on this channel already. It contains what I like to call hair juice, a mix of 85% of water, 5% of aloe vera juice, and 2% of olive oil. I spray a good quantity of it, then twice a week I apply hair grease. If you have acne prone skin like I do, avoid spraying your hair at night. The excess water is going to mix with all that juice that is already on your pillow, and the combination is not going to be something good for your skin. Just do it in the morning when you're about to style your hair. It is enough to keep your hair moisturized. I am not really good at styling, but I have about 5 or 6 hairstyles that I stick to ever since I found out that it worked for me, and I'm going to share them with you. So I just finished working out. I had no idea what I looked like working out until I watched this clip. Wow, I look so ridiculous. And I decided it's time for me to wash these braids. It's been 7 days already. And this must be really dirty. I'm just going to show you how I wash the braids. It's nothing really interesting. It's not that serious. So my brother does not take this work serious. I can't walk when he's around. I'm just going to try to record a video today. I start by wetting my hair with warm water. Then I use this shampoo from Garnier. I can't even remember which one, but I'm going to check and tell you. But I did not really like this shampoo. I had to reapply it so many times. As usual, I focus on the scalp, scrubbing it with the tips of my fingers, not nails. As if I have nails. They keep breaking when I do clients' hair. After rinsing the shampoo out, I use some hair mayonnaise for the deep conditioning. Yes, I still use hair mayonnaise. It has been good to me, and I am not going to give it up just because people say I should. No, I'm not going to do that. I would normally use a DIY deep conditioner, but today there was no energy to start mixing things, no energy on ground. I let this cook for about 15 minutes, then I rinse it out with cold water. I don't know if it is only me, but I am always so happy every time I can skip the tangling. Don't mind the way this thing looks on my head. I never know how to put it on. Products I'm going to use are this Garnier Whole Blends Color Care Conditioner. So I've been trying this new thing where I use a conditioner as leave-in. I heard Curly Chemistry say that some time back, but I've not used it enough to give my opinion on that. But I'm certainly going to talk about that in subsequent videos. To see the moisture, I'm going to use this hair grease. You've probably seen it already in this video. I don't know how this method is called. I don't even know if it is a method. But what I do is I apply the conditioner first, then the hair grease. If freestyling with hair is a mystery for you as much as it is for me, and you would like to have a certain level of control over the result of your mini braids, watch this video. It is going to give you all the information you need in order to achieve the same result with your mini braids over and over again.